Welcome, lovely people! Here's a tutorial of floral wreath. Another real-time henna video. And my friend who's getting henna done here is going to get married next year. I'm really excited and happy for her. If you're a beginner henna artist, I want to tell you one thing. If anybody comments about the speed of you doing henna, just avoid them. A neat henna design can't be created fast. It takes time to add details. We aren't machines, and it's art. As long as you do neat designs, never worry about your speed. Go for the clients who respect and admire your art and effort. The more you practice, the more neater and faster you can work. In my experience, the practice is the key. All the best, my loves. Usually, I take about 3 to 4 hours to complete a bridal henna up to elbow. How much time do you take? Comment below. Applying henna is so much relaxing for me. Whenever I feel stressed, I do henna. After that, I'll feel better. If any one of you do like that. If yes, comment below your experience with henna. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.